University of the East.
Pamantasan ka namin mahal, ilaw sa karimlan, buhay, lakas, dunong, dangal, pamantasan ka ng bayan. Ang pangalan mo ay manhati, at sandigan ka ng lahi. Pamantasan ng silangan, pamantasan ka namin mahal.
So for today's video, we are going to present what is the meaning of political law, national territory, Philippine Constitution, three main branches of the government, examples of major departments that are related to tourism, and other administrative offices that are related to tourism. What is political law? Political law has been defined as a branch of public law which deals with the organization and operation of the governmental organs of the state and defines the relations of the state with the inhabitants of its territory. The scope of political law. The entire field of political law may be subdivided into law of public administration, constitutional law, administrative law, and law of public corporation.
Philippine Constitution. The present Constitution on the Philippines, approved on the 1986 Constitutional Commission on October 12, 1986. The 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines was presented to President Corazon C. Aquino on October 15, 1986. It was ratified on February 2, 1987 by a plebiscite. It was proclaimed and enforced on February 11, 1987. The 1987 Constitution, the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Preamble. We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our prosperity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and the regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace. Do ordain and promulgate this Constitution.
What is national territory? The 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, Article 1, the national territory. It comprises the Philippine archipelago with all the islands and waters embraced therein, and all other territories which over the Philippines has sovereignty or jurisdiction consisting of its terrestrial, fluvial, and aerial domain, including its territorial sea, the seabed, the subsoil, the insular shelves, and other submarine areas. The waters around, between, and connecting islands of the archipelago, regardless of their breadth, dimensions, form part of internal waters of the Philippines.
There are three branches of the government. The first branch is legislative, the second branch is executive, third branch is judiciary. The legislative branch is authorized to make laws and alter and repeal them through the power vested in the Philippine Congress. This institution is divided into the Senate and the House of Representatives. The executive branch is composed of the President and the Vice President, who are elected by direct popular vote and serve a long term, 6 years. The Constitution grants the President authority to appoint his cabinet. Their departments form a large portion of the country's bureaucracy. the judicial branch holds the power to settle controversies involving rights that are legally demandable and enforceable. This branch determines whenever or not there has been a great abuse, discretion, amounting to the lack of access of jurisdiction on the part and externally of the government. It is made up of a Supreme Court and Law Court.
Examples of a major department offices that are related to tourism. Tourism Business Enterprise, General Management, Marketing, Operations, Finance, Sales, HR, and Purchase. Other administrative offices that may be related to tourism.
Tourism Services and Regional Office sectors is tasked to ensure their pleasant entry, stay, and exit to the tourist. It formulates standards of quantity and efficiency for tourism-oriented establishment, among others, done through accommodation system.
The tourism promotion sector has the primary function of promoting the Philippines as a tourism destination, domestically and internationally. It devises integrated marketing and promotional activities such as information dissemination, public relations, special events, and related to tourism programs. It likewise supervises the overseas field offices established to implement and enhance the tourism development and promotion program of the department in the international field.
Office of the Secretary. It provides leadership, directions, and substance to the overall operations of the department. It formulates policies, plans, programs, rules and regulations, reviews, and evaluates the performance of the Tourism Master Plan, and advises the President in all matters affecting the tourism program of the country.